So, are you comfortable?
Yes, sir. I am very much comfortable.
Okay, relax and be comfortable. We are going to discuss something about you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, first of all, introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Kamlesh Kumar Singh. I am from Gamar, district Gazipur of Uttar Pradesh. I have two siblings. Both are younger to me. My younger brother who is pursuing his graduation, and my younger sister who is pursuing her post-graduation. My father is in police services and my mother is a housewife. I have completed my 10th and 12th from the UP College Varanasi. Then after I went to the Lucknow University where I had completed my graduation in arts. Then I come to Allahabad University. Here I completed my masters in English literature, and right now I am pursuing my LLB degree from the Allahabad University. The aim of my life is to join the Indian Armed Forces as an officer and to serve the nation. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you belong to UP itself?
Yes, sir.
Gamar village?
Yes, sir. Gamar
Gazipur district?
Yes, sir.
Are you aware of history of your village?
Yes, sir. I am aware of my district.
It is a very famous village?
Yes, sir.
Why it is famous?
Sir, it is second largest village in our country, and also most number of soldiers as well as officers are from my village in the Indian Armed Forces.
Good. So what may be the population of your village?
Sir, approx 25,000.
As per 2011 census?
Yes, sir.
Who is your village Pradhan?
Sir, Balwant Singh is current village Pradhan of our village.
Okay. So Gazipur.
Yes, sir.
Tell me location of Gazipur.
Sir, it is situated south to the Varanasi on the border of the Bihar. After my village, after 10 km, Bihar border starts and Buxar district starts.
Buxar district of Bihar?
Yes, sir.
It starts, okay. So your father is in police services?
Yes, sir.
Where is he posted now?
Sir, he is posted in district jail, Lucknow.
Okay. What is his rank?
Sir, he is ASI in...
ASI in district jail?
Yes, sir.
Your mother stays at village or with father?
With father, sir.
Okay. So here you are staying in hostel?
Yes, sir. Here I am staying in Allahabad University's hostel.
University hostel. Okay. Sometimes you maybe during vacation you go to Lucknow?
Yes, sir. Whenever I got vacation, I went to my home at Lucknow.
Okay. Tell me two qualities each of your father and mother, the qualities which you like.
Sir, the humbleness and progressive thought as well as a responsible person are the qualities of my father, and my mother is a polite nature and a good cook. Okay,
you say your father is very responsible. Give me an example. How can you say that he is very responsible?
Sir, he always fulfill our needs and always take care what we are going to be needed and what should we have to do in further education. Also, he is responsible in his personal as well as professional life, because many awards or many appreciation he got from the jail department. So by that I can say that he is responsible both as personally and professionally. Okay.
Mother is what you told, very good cook.
Yes, sir. And
all mothers are caring.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Okay. So you have one sister studying in post graduation.
Yes, sir.
What subject she is studying?
Sir, she is studying in MA Political Science.
Political Science. Okay. Which university?
Sir, she is pursuing from the IGNOU University.
IGNOU. Tell me her two qualities which you like.
Sir, she is of very sharp-minded and laborious.
Okay, thoda bolu. Okay. Right. So you must have some friends also.
Yes, sir. I have a vast friend circle.
In your general friend circle, how many friends may be there?
Sir, right now in hostel, near about 40 to 50 friends are there of mine.
But how many best friends you have?
Sir, from the starting, I have 3 best friends.
3?
Yes, sir.
Where they live?
Sir, one of them is living in Varanasi, another in Allahabad itself, and one is posted in Rewa district of Madhya Pradesh.
He is doing some job?
Yes, sir.
Which department?
Sir, he is in coal mining department.
Coal mining department?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the friend who is staying at Varanasi,
Yes, sir.
what is his name?
Rajat Singh, sir. Rajat Singh.
Rajat Singh.
Yes, sir.
What is doing now?
Sir, he is doing work in MNC from work from home.
Work from home. Okay. Is he an engineer?
Yes, sir. He is BTech graduate from LPU University.
Okay. Tell me his two qualities which you like.
Sir, he is hardworking as well as a person who always fight for his words. He always try to complete what he had says.
He is very committed to his words.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, very good. Okay. So, next friend?
Sir,
Name?
Shubham Singh.
Shubham Singh. Tell me his two qualities which you like.
Sir, the most I appreciate the quality in him is his liveliness. Whatever the situation is, he always remains happy and charmful. And second, sir, he is of very humorous nature. He always make us laugh and dedicated toward his work.
Okay. Rajat Singh. What is his father's name?
Sir, Anil Singh.
What is his profession?
By profession, he is a lawyer.
Okay. How many brothers and sisters Rajat has?
Sir, he is a single child of his family.
Okay. And Shubham, his father's name?
Sir, Ramagya Singh.
What he does?
Sir, he is a farmer from the Gazipur district only.
Okay. Exactly what your father does in jail?
Sir, he is a coordinator who set up all the duties of other personals in the jail, and also he is a circle in charge of a circle in the jail department.
Okay. Right. So you decided to join Air Force.
Yes, sir.
But as per your PIQ form, I have seen you also tried for NDA entry.
Yes, sir.
How many times?
Sir, 3 times I had given NDA written examination, but unfortunately I was not able to clear the written examination of NDA. But then after I come to CDS and FCAT, I have cracked 3 times FCAT and 1 time recently CDS.
So this through FCAT you are trying to go.
Yes, sir.
CDS also you have cleared.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you think? Why you could not get selected? Up to this time, you went to SSB?
Yes, sir.
What was the reason in your opinion?
Sir, I think at that time I was have stuckness in my voice that doesn't help me in my GD, and because of that I was not able to screen at that time.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay. Tell me, who taught you English in class 10 and who was your favorite teacher then? Which was the subject favorite to you in class 12? And which is the subject favorite now in post-graduation?
Yes,
Who is Dean of your department at Allahabad University?
yes, sir.
Also tell me how many districts are there in UP, who is Governor of Uttar Pradesh, who is Education Minister of India, who is Defence Minister of India, what is the highest rank in Air Force, who is Chief of Air Staff, and name some fighter aircrafts of Indian Air Force.
Sir, Sangeeta Kumari is my favorite English teacher in my class 10th, and in class 12th, English only is my favorite subject. Then after, if I talk about the graduation, as I have completed graduation in English literature, here Indian drama is my favorite subject. If we talk about the districts, there are 75 districts in Uttar Pradesh. Then after, sir, can you repeat the questions again?
Okay, Governor of UP?
Governor of UP, Mrs. Anandiben Patel. Or if we talk about the Indian Air Force, the highest rank of Indian Air Force is Marshal, but the highest executive rank of the Indian Air Force is Air Chief Marshal, and V.R. Chaudhary is current Air Chief Marshal of Indian Air Force.
Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Could you answer all the questions?
Sir, might be I'm missing someone.
Okay, name some fighter aircrafts of Indian Air Force.
Sir, there are various fighter aircraft, such they are Sukhoi Mirage 2000, Rafale, MiG-21, MiG-29, Jaguar, etc.
Good. These are fighter aircrafts.
Yes, sir.
Can you name some transport aircrafts of Indian Air Force?
Yes, sir. Hercules, Mi-20 and Boeing 206 are the transport vehicle of Indian Air Force.
Okay. What is motto of aircraft?
Yes, sir. Please repeat.
Motto of aircraft.
Sir.
Air Force.
A motto of Air Force, Nava Sparsham Diptam, that is touch the sky with glory.
Touch the sky with glory. And you want to touch the sky with glory.
Yes.
But you have not applied for flying branch, isn't it?
Sir, as I have scored less marks in my physics in class 12, so I am not able to apply for the flying branch.
So which branches you are eyeing for?
Sir, I am applying for administration, logistics as well as educational branch.
Okay, good. Have you any neighbor in village or anybody who is serving in Air Force?
Yes, sir. One of my friend who is serving in XY in Air Force, and one of my known teacher only who is a wing commander in Indian Air Force.
Education branch?
Not education branch. He was in flying branch.
In flying branch. Okay, good. Okay. But why you want to become? See, you have done post graduation, then you are doing LLB. After completing this, one day you can become a very famous lawyer here at Allahabad High Court, earning crores. But I know some lawyers, they earn in crores here and in Supreme Court. That much money you will not get in Air Force. Why you are bent upon joining Air Force? What is the reason?
Because the satisfaction I got from the Indian Air Force is not going to be get from the any other job or any other salary. Sir, I want to join the Indian Air Force because from the very childhood I saw atmosphere where nearly one person from each house and nearly 10,000 armed force personnel are from my village, and most number of officers are from my village only, and my father also in police, so uniform always admires me a lot. And from childhood I have a belief that I want to be an Indian Armed Forces officer, and I have the capacity to lead a group and can perform good in Indian Armed Forces.
Okay, so at the school level, were you any time, see after class 9th,
Yes, sir.
you were scolded by teachers, for what reason?
Sir, reason was clear that I was not that much aware for my education, as I was shifted my attention to other extracurricular activities like participating in mark pass, in English competition, in dramas. So they always tried to told me that focus on your education also.
Okay, so you've been taking part in all these creative activities and all.
Yes, sir.
That's nice now. Okay. Okay, were you any time involved in some brawl, some quarrel, some situation at the school level after class 9 or at graduation or post-graduation level? Because your university is very much notorious for all these things.
Yes, sir.
So were you personally involved for some times?
Yes, sir. Nearly every month we show that type of situation when there is a hostel rivalry between between our hostel and another hostel. So in every month we saw that type of problem. I always go with my friends to stand with them. I not actively involved in the fighting, but I used to maintain the peace after going into them and saying that please stop this.
So were you able to control those situations?
Yes, sir. I am able to control because I have my friend circle who support me from the back, and I lead from the front, goes to there, ask for the problem and told them the possible solution and not to fight again.
Did any time your father or mother told you to stop studying, bahut pad liya? Did they tell this any time?
No, sir. They never. They always support for my studies. Although I have completed my post graduation, even they said that go for your LLB degree also. It will be helpful in your future.
In Air Force, what are force multipliers?
Sir, there are various force multiplier. I remember two. That is LR78 and LR76. LR78 is a air-to-air refueler, which helps in to refuel the in aircraft in air only, which save the fuel as well as the time. In the wartime, when the our aircraft goes to the enemy ward, coming back from there, have fuel in the air only, and again retaliate strongly. And second is, and that is LR76, that is AWACS, air warning and control system, which helpful for us to to spot the fighter of our enemy from our range behind our borders only. That is helpful for our making plan and strategies.
What we call that? AWACS.
Yes, sir.
Airborne Warning and Control System.
Yes, sir.
AWACS. So these two are force multipliers. Very
Yes.
good, very good. Okay. So, what sports you have been playing?
Sir,
At the school level or college level?
I played cricket at school level and college level, and when I came to my post graduation, I started playing badminton also.
Also, badminton also you started.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me some big names in badminton in our country?
Yes, sir. Sania Nehwal and PV Sindhu are the big names in badminton in our country.
Okay. In cricket, how many World Cups have come to India?
Sir, mainly 3 World Cups, one in 1983, 50-50 World Cup, then of 2007, 2020 World Cup, and 50-50 World Cup.
Okay. How many World Cups have come to India up to this time? Answer?
Sir, we have 3 World Cups. First one came in 1983 under the captaincy of Kapil Dev. We won the 50-50 World Cup. Then again in 2007 under the captaincy of Mahendra Singh Dhoni, we won 2020 World Cup. And again in 2011 in the same captaincy of Mahendra Singh Dhoni, we won the 50-50 World Cup.
Can you tell me ranks of Air Force officers?
Yes.
From lowest rank to the senior most rank?
Yes, sir. From the lowest rank, I would like to start flying lieutenant, flying officer, flying lieutenant, squadron leader, wing commander, group captain, air commodore, air marshal, air chief, air marshal, and air chief marshal.
In between, you left air vice marshal, no?
Air vice marshal.
Above air commodore, it is air vice marshal.
Yes, sir, I missed it. Sorry.
Then air marshal, and then air chief marshal. Then in rank structure,
and there also
Marshal of the Air Force is also there, no?
Yes,
the top?
but I had told about the executive rank only.
And not executive rank.
Yes, sir.
But
The
decorative or honorary rank.
Yes, sir. Honorary rank is Marshal of Indian Air
Any
Force.
Marshal of the Air Force have been there in India?
Yes, sir.
Who are that?
Air Marshal Arjun Singh.
Air Marshal Arjun Singh. Good. See, in life different situations take place. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Different situations arrive that we have to handle, we have to tackle the problems. Suppose you don't get selected in SSB.
Yes, sir.
Then
Sir, I have SSB of my CDS also, and again I am going to write the written examination of FCAT in Feb. I will prepare for the SSB of my CDS. I will give best in my written in FCAT examination, and again come to you for the next SSB, and again I will try to be an armed forces officer.
okay, sometimes back during lockdown, 2 serials were coming on TV, you know.
Yes, sir.
We all were at home. That was, you know, Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Yes,
Did you watch?
Yes, sir. I usually watch Ramayana on television.
So both stories you know, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So out of this Ramayana and Mahabharata, which story you like?
Sir, I
More.
like the Ramayana most.
You like Ramayana more.
Yes, sir.
Why you like Ramayana more than Mahabharata?
Sir, because in Ramayana we saw the coordination of brother and brotherhood between the Ram, Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrughan. Although all of them are from different mother, but brotherhood is between them. In the enemy side also we saw that there is a brotherhood between all the brothers of Ravana. Even they all know that Ravana is not right, he is doing mistake, but for the sake of his brother's order, they all followed the order of his elder brother.
That no, Bibhishan didn't follow, no? Bibhishan joined opposite party?
Yes, sir.
Kumbhakarna followed.
Yes, sir. Kumbhakarna followed, and his son Meghnath follows. Although he even warns the Ravana.
Okay, and in Mahabharata?
In Mahabharata, there is quarrel between the brothers only for the greed of money, power, and lust.
Yes, yes. Okay. Okay. Take a situation.
Yes, sir.
You are a married man. Just imagine.
Yes, sir.
I don't know when you will marry your girlfriend. You are serious about her, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose you are a married man
Yes, sir.
and one day you are going with your wife and your sister somewhere. The place is barren. You are just walking. There is no sadhan available.
Yes,
You
sir.
have 20,000 rupees with you.
Yes,
You
sir.
are walking. On the way, you cross a gang of 20 dacoits who are fully armed. All have guns and rifles. They encircle you. The gang leader tells you that, okay, gentlemen, you have to leave one of them. Either leave your sister or leave your wife, and two can go safely. What will you do?
Sir, firstly, I will try to convince the leader by giving my 20,000 rupees. Or apart from this, I give him my valuable things like my watch, my phone, my wallet, and everything what I have, and asked and told him that I will went to my house and I will offer you more money. Let us all the three to be go.
But he doesn't agree. He tells you that, no, we don't want money. We have enough money. He tells you that if you don't agree with me, I will kill you by shooting and take both of them. What will you do?
Sir, I will warn him strongly, and after that I will start resisting him. I will start fighting with him along with shouting for the help and try to overcome that.
See, but there are 20 people well armed. He will immediately shoot you down. He will kill you and take both of them.
Sir, it's better to die with pride in spite of being living without pride. So I will go for the fighting with those jackets.
Okay, good, very good. Okay, thank you very much. We had very nice discussion. Thank you so much.